If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use check-in to share location in messages in iOS 17. Check-in is a new safety feature introduced in iOS 17 that automatically informs your selected contacts about your location. Here's how to use it in the Messages app. First, open the Messages app. Tap on the conversation where you want to use check-in. Next, tap the plus button, choose More, and select Check-in. If it's your first time, follow the on-screen instructions. You must decide between limited or full data sharing access. These options give you control over the level of location access. Tap the Continue button as you read through the on-screen explanations until you see the Send a Check-in button. After that, if you don't reach your destination within the set time or place an emergency SOS call, your iPhone will prompt you to check if everything's okay. If you don't respond within 15 minutes, check-in will alert your contact. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.